Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for those customers who's using Samsung Android smartphone of any series like A series, F series, M series, J series, any series of Samsung smartphone if you are using, and if your smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you think that you will have to visit service center to unlock your smartphone, then don't worry at all. In this video I will show you how you can unlock your smartphone and bypass your smartphone FRP with the help of sitting at home. You don't have to visit any service center. But before starting this method, you will have to firstly hard reset off your smartphone. Then after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display. Okay. One more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, in this method your phone should be charged at least 30% battery. Without 30% you can't access this method. Then after when you will switch on this phone, you will get a such type of pop-up. Simply you will have to click on this start option and you will have to select all these options and go to the agree. Let's check what happened when I will go with all the process on this display. One more thing I would like to tell you, my friend, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here I have already connected my smartphone to the Wi-Fi network. You can see here. So make sure connect your phone to the Wi-Fi network because it's mandatory. Then after you will have to go to the next option here, and when you will go to the next option, let's check what happened here. So you can see here it's again asking here your pin pattern and password lock, but you can see here there is another option is showing above the pin pattern or password lock, that is showing here use my Google account instead. Simply you will have to click on this, and when you will click on this option, it will ask you your phone's Gmail ID and phone number and Gmail ID. So if you have your Gmail ID and phone number, then you can easily bypass this page. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you can't bypass this page, and without bypass this page you can't switch on your Samsung Android smartphone. Okay, so I will show you how you can bypass this page. I mean to say how you can bypass this page, and without Gmail ID and password, how you can bypass your FRP lock of your smartphone. Okay, so for this, simply you will have to back option, use the back option and reach to the starting page. Now when you will come on the starting page, you will get an option that is showing here language. Simply you will have to select this language option, and you will have to change the language from English India to English US. Then after you will have to click on this OK option. Okay, then after you can see here the another option is showing here emergency call. Simply you will have to click on this emergency call option. Then after you will have to dial a special USSD code, that is *#0*#. When you will click on this *#0*#, you will get a lots of options on your phone display, but here you will have to select only two options to use this method. The first one is showing here sensor, and the second one is showing here version. Firstly you will have to click on this version option, and when you will click on this version option, it will show you such type of versions on your phone display. You don't have to click anywhere on this display. Simply you will have to wait on this display for 5 seconds minimum. There is maximum, there is no limit, but when your 5 second minimum done, then after you will have to simply go with the back button, and you will have to click on the second option that is showing here sensor. Simply you will have to click on this sensor option, and when you will click on this sensor option, you will get some synchronizing option on your phone display. Okay, again here you will have to wait only for 5 second minimum to synchronize this. Then after you will have to go to the back option. Okay, and now you will have to reach to the starting page. Okay, now when you reach to the starting page, then after you will have to start the click to the start option, and when you will click to the start option, you will have to again select all to agree, then go to the agree option here. Then after you will have to go to the agree option. Okay, now you will come on this page. The page name is choose a Wi-Fi network. Here you will have to switch on your phone's TalkBack option, and for this you will have to press the power button and the volume up button same time. Press and release to switch on your phone's TalkBack option, and for this press hold and release. Now after that you will have to click on this use option. Again you will have to repeat the same. Now here you will have to draw a opposite L like this. Then after you will get a three type of options. Firstly you will have to choose the option that is showing here while using the app. Simply you will have to double tap on this one. Now after that you will have to click on this use voice command option, double tap. Open Google Assistant. Open settings. Now when your phone settings will be open on your phone display, you will have to firstly switch off your TalkBack option, and for this again you will have to repeat the process. You will have to press the power button and the volume up button, press and release to switch off your TalkBack option. Now you can see here the TalkBack option has been switched off. Now here you will have to make some changes in this settings. Firstly, you will have to scroll down and you will have to reach to the option that will show here lock screen, and you will have to click on this. Now here you can see here the first option is showing here screen lock here, but you can see here it's not working, so don't worry at all. Simply you will have to scroll down and you will have to reach to the option that will show here face recognition and fingerprint. Simply you will have to click on this face recognition option, and when you will click on this face recognition option, here it will get a pop-up that is showing here continue. Simply you will have to click on this continue option first time, then after you will get a such type of display. Okay, then after you will have to click on this continue option 5 times, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, now after that simply you will have to go to the back option here. Okay, now the second option is showing here fingerprint. Simply you will have to click on this fingerprint option again, then again after you will get a continue pop-up on your phone display. Simply you will have to repeat the process. You will have to click on this continue option 5 times, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now both the option has been complete. Now after that you will get an option that is showing here about lock screen. Okay, simply you will have to click on this option, about lock screen option, and then after you will have to click on this open source license. Simply you will have to click on this. Now here you will get a lots of things on your phone display, but you can see here there is a web address is showing here. Simply you will have to select and copy this web address. Now copy this. Now after that you will have to go to the back option, back. Now again you will have to go to the back. Now after that you will have to go to the option that will show here general management. Now here you will have to go to the option that will show here at the down, that is reset. Simply you will have to click on this reset option. Okay, now after that you will have to go to the option that will show here language. Simply you will have to select this language option and you will have to click on this add network option. Now when you will click on this add network option, you will have to select the English. So you can see here English India is showing here. Simply you will have to select and you will have to select this set as default. Now after that you will have to go to the back option here, and again you will have to go to the back here. Now you will have to exit from setting option here. Now after that you will have to reach to the starting page here. Now from here again you can see here the English language has been changed to India. Simply you will have to change again to English US. Then after you will have to click on this OK. Now after that select to the start option. You will have to select this agree to all, then go to the agree. Now agree here. Now after that you can see here there is an option that is showing here add network. Simply you will have to click on this add network option, and you will get an option that is showing here setting option here. Simply you will have to click on this setting option here. Now firstly you will have to scroll down and you will get an option that is showing here reset to default settings. Simply you will have to click on this, and here you will get two options. The first one is showing here reset keyboard setting, and the second option is showing here erase personalized prediction. Simply firstly you will have to click on this reset keyboard setting, and you will have to click on this reset. Then after you will have to select the second option that is showing here erase personalized prediction. Simply you will have to select and erase here. Now after that simply you will have to go to the back option here, and you will have to scroll down and you will have to select the language option. Now here you will get an option that is showing here manage input language. Simply you will have to click here manage input language. Then after you will have to select all the English on this page, and you will have to switch on all the English showing on this page. So you can see here the English UK is showing here. You will have to select here English US. You will have to select here. Now here you can see here the another English language is showing. You will have to select this also. Now after that you will have to go to the back option here, and again you will have to go to the back option. Okay. Now you can see here the option that is showing here or text shortcut. Simply you will have to select this option, and when you will select this option you can see here you will get an option that is showing here plus option. Simply you will have to click on this. Now after that you can see here you will get a two option, and you will have to feed both of this option. And firstly you will have to type here Samsung. FRP removal. Okay, you will have to type this Samsung FRP removal without any space. Make my words, you don't have to give a space on these letters. Okay, then after you will have to select this second option and you will have to paste that web address which you had copied. Okay, and you will have to click on this add option. Now after that all the things has been done. Now after that you don't have to do anything. Simply you will have to go with the back option here, and again you will have to go to the back and back option. Now you can see here all the things has been done, all the setups has been done. Now after that you will have to check either your FRP has been bypassed or not. So simply you will have to click on this next option. So here there are showing two options. The first one is showing here don't copy and the second option is showing here next. So simply you will have to select this don't copy option here. So you can see here the skip option is showing in this page where the Gmail ID and the phone number was asking. Now here you can see here skip option is showing. Now you can easily bypass this page. I mean to say now you don't need any Gmail ID and phone number to bypass your this page. Okay, so this is known as FRP bypass unlock method. So after that simply you will have to skip this page. Skip here, accept. So here it will ask you to use a new pin pattern and password lock. So if you want to use new pin pattern and password locks, so you can also use from this page, but right now I will skip this page here. Skip anyway. After that go to the OK. Next, skip here. Now you will get a pop-up that is your all setup, and you will get a pop-up that will show here finish. Simply you will have to click on this finish option. Now you will have to select this agree. Here it will ask you to select a language, so you can also skip this page, but I will suggest you select a single language. So I am going to select this English here. Now after that you will have to go to the next option here. Go to the continue. Finish. So you can see here the Samsung Android smartphone has been completely unlocked. You can see here the FRP log which was logged due to Google, that is bypassed completely, and the Samsung Android smartphone is completely unlocked without visiting any service center and without need any software. Okay, so if your Samsung Android smartphone is also unlocked with the help of this method, then do the like this video, and if your smartphone could not unlock, then make us comment which type of issues you are facing in this method. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.